Nih, galing.
This heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine? Think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot.
Hi, Kid. Hi, Otter.
Hi, Ate. Hi, Zizi. Hi, Ella. Hi, Panda. Hi, Uno. Hi, Spot. Hello, everybody. It's January 10,
My birthday.
2017. 2025 has been a fucked up year. But it's still cake. It's still here. I love you.
That I'm okay, it's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
It's almost like I can't stop.
Love you.
Yeah. Can't stop. Think about you a lot.
Happy birthday.
Hello everyone. It's been a while, but I'm gonna try vlogging today because why not? I've missed this. It's my boyfriend's birthday, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go!
When we used to be in love and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone and all I have is time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about yeah, I didn't forget you. Hey, no, I didn't forget you, baby. I know we drifted.
Let's open some packages. Ooh, for cable management. Nakita kasi ako ng pen ko na clamp. I will not buy clip that's 200 pesos. Tapos fake pa ata yun. This one, guess how much? 16 pesos! Maliit lang pala yun. What the heck? I thought it's an A4. Got me some washi tapes. Maliit lang pala siya. Na pang scrapbook. So small. Kasi maliit lang naman yung Hobonichi ko. So, these ones are perfect. And an envelope. Ooh, matagal ko na tong gustong bilhin. Cute! Meron na siyang lalagyan. Ooh. Anyway, it's time to play some Valo. Tell you what I got. Kumuha na naman ako ng jeans. Kasi wala na akong jeans na kasya sa akin. Dahil I gained so much weight. I actually got the wider one. Super baggy fit. I only got it for $9.95 top sa Bershka. And I got this pants, I think for $9.95 as well. It's really cute, right? Also got this. It's wide naman siya. One I got for 11K ata. So yeah. I've been wanting to get baggy jeans for so long and walang kasya sa akin. Now, meron na. So, got this from Bershka. Since anniv namin is coming up really soon and kailangan ko ng damit pang beach. So, I got it. Our anniv is coming up. I already bought my gift. What do you call this? A card? So, I got one. Chana, chana. Sardina. Good morning. Dumating na yung monitor. Lovey is still sleeping upstairs, so we're gonna surprise him.
And I know we both made a brand new start.
Here. Hindi ko na gagandahan yung balot. Sisirain din na naman.
And I wish you happiness, but sometimes I wonder why.
Hotdog.
Inip ako eh. Ginagamit ko doon.
Pang slideshow.
Ah! I knew it! I knew it! It was you!
People have been raving about this one. What do you call this? I don't know. Take a bite. Honestly, it's aight. Doable. Sarap naman siya. Pero hindi siya yung hahanap-hanapin mo.
All this time, you're still on